So here we are with another tutorial of beaver, and this is the final result. Here is my main setup, and now these are the colors that I used, and I found them in this page that I will leave the link down in the description. So I'm just having this red box which I will comment because I don't think that I need it now, but it is very helpful. Yes, it's very helpful. I think that you can pretty easily understand why. Inside this box I will have my head and all the other elements. As usual, I need a head copy, a head down copy, and then I will do a chin and a chin copy. Now I will write the CSS part, and I'm actually using scss. I think it's more helpful. I don't do all the things that you can do with scss. I pretty much only use it for the colors. The head that I'm writing right now is just circular head and nothing more. And I will also do the head copy, which I will need it for the ears, because the ears have to be before and after the head and the head copy. The head copy is pretty easy to do. You just have to do the width and the height 100%, and the rest are the same. Now the head tone isn't a good name. I think it should be something like cheeks, because it's but I didn't know how to call it. Okay, and now I think I'm gonna do the chin. Pretty much all you have to do is to copy paste what you wrote earlier and then adjust the properties, and also be aware of the send index. Okay, that's it. Now let's continue with the ears. As always, I need an ear left and an inner ear, and then I will do the right part. The left and the right part are pretty much the same. You just have to change the left property to the right one. The class behind the ear is something like a shadow. So now I'm writing the ear parts. Yes, and so I'm going also to do the right part. Nice. Oh, I forget here to close the teeth, so that's why we saw them down below. And the inner ear will be the same for the left and the right one. Nice. I think I like that. But now the behind the ears part is going to be different for left and right. Yes. Okay, nice. And we are going to continue with the eyes. I will have eyes left, right, and then of course I will have some pupils, and again I will need both the right one and the left one, because they are not going to be exactly the same. It's a good technique to first change the color, the background color, so you can see what exactly are you doing, and if you can see your elements, then change the Z index. Now for the inner part of the eye, pretty much everything is just a circle. And don't forget about the borders, it can be very helpful also. Right, that's it. Okay, and something that I'm done with the pupils. Let's go to the eyebrows. Again, I will have my left and right eyebrows, and I can do the same thing here. So I have to use this part, this story, this page. I will leave it in the description below also. Okay, we're starting to see it. Let's go a little bit up and left. And just copy paste it, go to the right and change again this. Nice. Let's continue with the mouth part. I will have mouth and some teeth and probably a nose. Yes, that's it. For me, what I like to do is always design in the paper my image and then try to replicate it in pure CSS. That would be very helpful. So now I knew that I wanted to have a mouth, a nose and 2 teeth. I will use also again this tool because it's much more easier. That's quite big for teeth. Now the left and the right part again would be the same, just change the property from left to right. And for the nose, I'm just going to use a circular element, and to the top we go. Alright, and one final thing would be the hair. I will use 3 of them. And also I'm going to use this tool. I need a parallelogram. And I need to change the color so we can see it. Yes, I had the wrong name. So now I'm going to do the same for the left and right part. Here it is. And this is our result. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.